So today's our lesson number is lesson number 23 and it is about long mud. So about this lesson, about the long mud, I already told you previously, right?
No.
No? Okay,
Uh,
no problem. Let me tell you again. So this is the sign which we will call mud. Okay, actually we have the same sign. We will call long mud or mud prolongation. Okay,
mm,
or normal mud as well. Okay, actually there are some categories in the mud. Sometimes we have the like one category we have which we will call Madd Lazim, Madd Muttasil, Madd Munfasil, Madd Ariz. So there are different categories in the mud. But that is quite difficult and tricky. So inshallah ta'ala, I will try to teach you about that in the Quran. But for now, whenever you see this sign appear on the top of any letter, so you can call it mud or long mud, and then you just need to stretch it for 4 to 6 seconds. Got it?
got it.
Okay. There is only one purpose for this sign. There is no sound for that sign. Okay, we just stretch. Whenever you see that sign on the appear on the top of any letter, just stretch. That's it. Don't do anything.
Okay.
Okay, so one rule we have to learn extra in this lesson, and that is that so far I told you, if you remember, I told you that whenever we have any connecting sign like shad or sukun, so we have to add or connect that letter sound with the previous letter, right?
Yeah.
Yes, and I also told you that whenever we want to connect two letters each other, so then we don't stretch. We connect them directly without stretching, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so according to that rule, hey, how you have to read this word? Here we have dad with fatha and then we have lam with shad. So what should we have to do?
Dalan.
No, see, according to the rule I told you or I taught you that we have a shad sign on the lam, so we need to connect that with the previous letter, which is dod. Okay, so I told you that whenever we need to connect, so then we don't stretch. So it will be dal lan, lam has double fatha, so we read dal lan, right?
Yeah.
But now we have a mud sign on it. So the rule of mud sign is that whenever it comes on any letter, so you have to stretch it. So now even you have a connecting sign on the next letter, but we don't see that uh, till when we stretch. Once you stretch it, so then you will see the next letter. So that's mean whenever any letter has a mud on it, so just close your eyes and then stretch it first for 4 to 6 seconds and then go for the next letter.
Mm,
Understood?
yeah.
So, so for now, the word will become like dolan.
Alright.
Do you understand?
Just
Okay, so read this.
Dalan.
Yes, very good.
Kad.
First letter is ha.
Hajaka.
Excellent. But first of all, we have to stretch for 4 to 6 seconds because ha has mud on it. So it will be hajaka.
Okay.
Read it again.
Hajaka.
Very good. Excellent. Next.
The
No, no.
wait, I mean the button.
Yes, stretch more. The button.
The button.
Yes, very good. Next.
Raduka.
Excellent. Next.
Uh,
It's ho, bold letter. Ho, so.
oh, Satan.
Very good. Next. So now one more thing is that this word, the word of Allah, sometimes at the middle of the lam, sometimes we read that lam bold and sometimes light. Okay, although I told you that lam is not included into the bold letters, there are seven bold letters we have learned, and those were kha, sod, dod, ghain, ta, Qaf, Za, right? So the bold letters we always pronounce with the heavy and strong voice. And I gave you the tip as well, which was just round your lips and then pronounce it, so it will automatically become bold. But after that, I told you that there is one more letter which is Ra. And Ra also has condition. Like sometimes we read Ra light, sometimes we read Ra bold, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember the condition when we read Ra bold and when we read Ra light?
No.
Okay, let me repeat. So whenever we have a Ra in the Quran, so we just check the sign of the Ra. If Ra has Fatha or Dhamma, so then we make the Ra bold. And if we have Ra with Kasra, so then we make the Ra light. Got it?
Got it.
So that is the condition for the Ra, that when should we have to read Ra bold and when we have to read Ra light. Now, next we have the lam as well. Whenever the lam comes in the word of Allah, not any another time, not any another word. Whenever the lam comes in any another word, so then we always read that light. But when the lam comes in the word of Allah, so then we have to read it bold sometimes and sometimes light. So the condition will be same as the raw, but the only difference is that we will check the previous letter. In the condition of raw, we will check the raw. If it is a fatha or dhamma, so then we make it bold. Or if there is a kasra, so then we make it light, right? But in the lam, we will check the previous letter. If the previous letter has any sign on it, so then we make this lam bold. And if there is a any sign bottom of the previous letter, like kasra, so then we make the lam light. Do you understand?
A little.
Let's see here. Here we have a middle. We will check the middle lam. Okay, sometimes we read this middle lam bold and sometimes uh, bold. So the middle lam always come with standing fatha. We just check the previous letter. So the previous of this lam, the first lam doesn't have any sign, so we don't consider it. We just skip that. We will check the behind of that letter. So the previous of that lam, we have alif with standing fatha, right?
Yes.
Like I told you that when we have any sign upon that letter, so then we make the lam bold. So here we have a standing fatha on it. So that's why we read this lam, the second lam, boldly, right?
Yeah.
So now it will be Allah. Okay, we don't read like Allah. If we read Allah, it will be wrong. We have to read bold. Allah.
Okay.
Okay. Or for example, if we have kasra on alif. So now what we do, we read the lam, the mid lam lightly. So it will be then illa. Then we don't read boldly. Illa. No. We read light. Illa. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, read this word.
Wait. Uh, Law. Who?
Okay,
Who?
excellent. Excellent. Very good. Now, inshallah ta'ala, the next lesson we will start in our next class. And now it's time for your namaz. So tell me, last time I have told you about the obligatory rakats, right?
Yes.
Okay, so today we have to learn the other categories where I told you that we have the sunnat, farz, okay, right?
Yes.